there's one person in this world that I truly miss, it is Jenna Marbles. For years, I looked forward to every Wednesday/Thursday when she would post her one video a week of her just doing random stuff. Like, I loved her and I miss her. The thing she did was tinker with her eyebrows, and it gave me the false confidence I needed to start doing things to my eyebrows, because I used to go like twice a month and have them waxed, and it was expensive, and you know, they're not the best, but I do shape them, cut them, I do all of that myself from home. I found this, and this is just a dark brown eyebrow tint. I'm not sure how this is going to work with my current hair, but we're going to do it anyway because it's just eyebrows. And if something else she's taught me is if you don't like your eyebrows, you can just shave them off and then just use makeup. So why not? Gave me this to kind of put everything on and mix it. These, I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these out. Then it gave me this brush. It gave me this brush and a spoolie, so a little brush. I think I'll probably use the little brush. I'm gonna take number 1, and it just says to use about the same amount. I think this thing will end up lasting me like a really long time. So I am going to do that much of the colored base for now. And then we'll go in with the developer. Oh gosh. Guess I'll just add some more of this till they look about even. I don't know, that looks evenish. That looks like. I'm gonna take this and just try to clean it up. I'm gonna take this in and just kind of work it through. And I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then I'll be back for the reveal. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I have this cotton round that I just soaked in water, and we're gonna start taking this off. It's my first time dyeing my brows like that. I think it looks pretty good. What should I try next? I've always been kind of curious about brow lamination, which I don't really do my brows where they like stick up, but I don't know. I'd definitely be willing to try it. Let me know if you guys would like to see that.